welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Ashley and I make videos traveling, life, college, lifestyle, makeup, fashion, all the things. Make sure to subscribe down below and join our little family. We hit 300 subscribers 2 days ago, or no, 1 day ago. Today I'm doing a skincare routine, a very highly requested video on my channel, so I'm finally doing it to show you guys my life hacks for my skin. I mean, everybody's skin is different. I'm just showing you guys what I use on my skin. So I'm not any means a specialist or anything, like, no. I'm just showing you what works for me, and you can try it out and see if it works for you. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing in my skincare routine, I use the Neutrogena makeup wipes. So my face looks kind of red right now because I just got out of work. I also use the Costco brand, the Costco Kirkland makeup wipes too. I use those back and forth. So they're both really good makeup wipes, and those are the only two brands that I found that I see that like really takes off the makeup and everything. Oh my god, my face looks so red on camera. I don't know why. Oh my god. I'm gonna use this to take off my makeup. I just took off all my makeup. Next thing that I do is I wash. So the next thing that I do is I wash my face with my holy grail face wash. It's the Cetaphil Skin Cleanser. It's literally what I use every single day. Like, I've been using this since junior year of high school. So, and I'm a freshman in college now. It's at Targets, like you don't need to go to like Sephora or anything. I use this every single day, and I really do think that this is one of the products that really just helps my skin. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. Let's get this bread. Now that I washed my face, I'm gonna start showing you guys my routine. Like, I have 5 things in total, including the face wash. So, I look like a potato right now. So after I wash my face, I use the Mario Badescu spray. And I always like end up spraying that in the mornings as well because it just really just refreshes my face. Literally holy grail moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. I use the Clinique Gel Moisturizer. I'm using this for like so many years. These two together have really just made my skin amazing. Like, I just love this lotion so much. I recently discovered this Enchanted Eye Cream by Lush. I use this a lot in college. So I just take like literally a pea-sized amount is all you need. And I just rub it under my eyes because it's supposed to help with your bags. My bags get really bad in college, so. And I haven't really been using it just because like my bags aren't too bad right now. So it says, a gentle blend of organic oils and honey for your most delicate skin. So I really like this. My favorite face mask of all time since like freshman year of high school has been the mask of Magniminty by Lush as well. To apply my mask, I use just this brush from e.l.f. or I have another Real Techniques one that looks exactly the same. But it really helps with blackheads on my nose. And I'm not gonna use it today just because I already used it this week. I've literally become a tea fanatic. I drink tea every morning. Green tea, ginger tea, lemon tea. Or once in a while, my mom and I will boil up some organic ginger tea and make ginger tea of our own. Don't use a lot of skincare products because I just feel like you shouldn't use too many things on your face, or else your face is gonna freak out and be like, whoa, what is going on? You're using too many products and I don't know which one to. I would drink a lot of coffee and I found myself not the most energetic. I started drinking tea instead, and I instantly saw that energy switch. I know a lot of people don't like tea, so I wouldn't force yourself to drink it, but I really like it, and that's something that's really been helping my skin, I think. Another thing is I talked about it in a video. I said that I started drinking lots of kombucha, and it really has been helping my skin. Kombucha has really been helping my skin, and honestly just eating overall a healthier diet will really help your skin. Everybody gets acne, like it's not the biggest deal. Vitamins, I also take vitamin C vitamins, which I feel like really helps my skin. So that's like the food, like drinks aspect of my skincare routine. So yes, yeah, I hope this really helped you guys, because that is ultimately my goal from my channel and from this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. We just reached 300 subscribers, which is so cool. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe.